I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being...
Oh, America's so big. You ever drive through Oklahoma? It's so flat.
You got a convoy approaching fast. Step on it.
Come on, baby.
Okay, a bit faster, please.
Lexi!
Okay, don't worry. Engaging defensive measures.
Oh my god.
Wait, that's not so.
Oh my god.
Walker, shield!
Is that Bucky?
It's a Winter Soldier. That guy is so cool.
Yes, bro.
That's what I talk about!
Yeah, remember,
That's not
yeah.
How crazy is it to think of all the monumental fights that happened exactly here where you're standing? I mean, the place wasn't cheap,
Good
but
old days.
it's got good optics.
Love it.
Look at you. You are all so adorable.
Eat shit, Valentina. The assignment is... Oh, wait.
Yeah, Mr. Buffet appointment. Stop putting our pilots up there.
Assignment is complete.
What kind of super serum did you get?
I don't know, regular. Hydra.
Hydra. Oh, fancy.
Who is this old Santa?
The Red Guardian.
What?
Everyone here has done bad things. Shadow ops. Contract kills.
And you, former Red Room assassin. God only knows the blood on your hands.
Black
Ludicrous coming from a
Widow's
dime
sister.
store Captain America.
I'll have you know, it's actually the official Captain America, so.
Yeah, for like 2 seconds.
It's getting so tense in here.
Who are you?
I'm Bob.
Bob.
We're just drifting. And we don't have purpose. You can't escape the past.
So you can either do something about it now, or live with it forever.
So what, we all just punch and shoot?
We are the Thunderbolts!
Can't call ourselves that.
Thank God.
The Thunderbolts. It's a cool name.
It's a good name. Thunderbolt. Okay, so that is it. Oh, honestly, here's the thing. I think that movie was good for me. I think to me it was good. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think that movie was good. And yeah, people are getting the hey, it's just like a rip up, but at the same time too. Here's the thing. You can't judge a movie without watching it. Unfortunately, I'm gonna say the Red One is trash. I hate to say it is trash. I didn't know it. Why? Because The Rock is in it. It's simple. And he likes to take control of everything. And then he seen by how he did the Black Adam, I wouldn't trust watching the Red One. Anyways, I think it's gonna be a good movie. So yeah, people are giving the hate here and there and all that. And to be fair to you, the criticism is understandable because Madame Web wasn't good. For me, I watched it in theaters. So for me, I had a good experience watching it. I watched it in theaters, so my experience is very different from other people. So yeah, I think it was okay movie, and that's all I can say. I was in the theater, so yeah. But overall, I think it looks good, and I can't wait for it. So yeah. Anyways, guys, have a good day, man. See you again for the next upload.
Honest, don't you feel like it's holding you hostage? Stay alive till you fall in your coffin.